So this is a trade that I missed yesterday. So we look at the trend first. On the weekly, we notice the market is bearish. Going on to the daily. The market is still bearish. So first things first is we look at what level this engulfing has formed. So it's bounced off the 38. It's a very nice indication to sell. And then also market broke that previous high on 36.00. So we'll just circle in that engulfing candle, usually in blue, and go down to the H4 to look at the retest and be able to catch that move bearish. So that was a candle was on 9th, so from there I think to there, yeah. So that way, so it can come, check that fib, look at, anticipate a retest and a break of structure in the lower time frame, say M30. So a break of structure bearish towards our intended market movement. So you notice market came, this is the engulfing all the way to around this is 11, that, yeah, around 12, yes. So we notice that market went up, respected this PRZ, that is 135.90, which is the 61.8, and then broke structure of that. So entry is based off this engulfing candle. So you can easily have put the entry based on this candle, the retest, yeah, so it was an easy one, or wait for it to close. After close, the EMAs had crossed and you can take it off that. First TP is negative 27, second TP is negative 61. So it's obvious market went all the way to TP1 around 60 pips. Okay, after that, if you're catching the market back to back, then off the TP you expect either a reversal or a continuation. So at this point there's a reversal candle, which is kangaroo tail or M82. After that, you anticipated that the market would push bullish off this zone, which is the 135.25 area. So if you're trading off naked forex, you put your entry 5 pips above that entry, which is at that point, that's your entry, and your exit is in the next zone. So your next zone based off this one and your risk reward is this area. So this was an easy buy. Your risk is this one and your reward is that. So if you look at it down in the 15 minutes, you would have found an even better entry off the break of structure after this engulfing candle, which was after the cross of VMAs. So you look for an engulfing. This is nice entry after this engulfing candle. So that is another, say, 35-40 pips. Yeah, 35 pips. So if you R1 to wait upon, you know, break of structure. You can wait it on the 50-minute or the 5-minute, expecting that the market will either continue going bullish or break structure to indicate that the market is actually exhausting. So you can follow through. Already it's at around 50 plus pips.